The second step in the print-to-product workflow after cleaning is surfacing. Here you have the choice between two different surfacing finishes and the corresponding processes. But for now, we want to have a look at our mechanical surface finishing option. For this, we developed the Powershot S and our proprietary process, Polyshot surfacing. The Powershot S hardware setup is similar to the Powershot C, but not the same. It also has a rotary basket with a soft lining, and the procedure is similar as well. You can either select pre-installed programs or create, save and start your own programs to quickly adapt to your individual application. A typical process lasts 10 minutes. The main difference to the Powershot C is the ionization unit, and especially in the setup of different blasting nozzles. This, in combination with the rotary basket and a stainless steel cabinet, once again guarantees a reproducible process. Our proprietary process, Polyshot surfacing, uses plastic beads, which is different than the cleaning blasting media, and achieves a homogeneous surface without being abrasive. The parts have a much better look and feel, and the process sets a totally new quality standard. It creates semi-glossy surfaces with a higher scratch resistance and soft haptics. Lastly, the process improves look, feel and color quality, making Polyshot surfacing key when it comes to reproducibility and end-use applications. For a more glossy look of white raw material, we recommend to repeat Polyshot surfacing after deep dye coloring. To sum it all up, why is the Powershot S with the Polyshot surfacing process the leading blasting system for end-use parts with a superior finish? First, it uses the most efficient surfacing technology to achieve end-use parts. Second, you'll get semi-glossy surfaces with ideal properties as a foundation for superior coloring results. And third, the system allows for advanced operator convenience with enhanced ergonomics and process control.